What about hormone treatments? We've talked non-hormonal here, but what about hormone treatments? Women who have, they cannot deal, and there's so many women who absolutely get to this point. They are frustrated between the hot flashes, the night sweats, and the other symptoms. What can we do for hormonal treatments then?
Yeah. Hopefully, we can reassure women that if the other methods that we have, both herbal, acupuncture, some of the other things, are not working for them, the exercise, the diet, all these things may help. But if not, and you're significantly having symptoms, we want to reassure women that hormone replacement therapy is very safe and in short-term use, minimal risk of cancer or other complications that the media has told us about from the 2002 WHI study about stroke, heart attack, blood clots, breast cancer.
Let's bring up the graphic while you're talking about this, because we do have one, and exactly the points that you're hitting right here. I want to make sure that everybody sees this, because the benefits of hormone treatment are huge in so many ways. I mean, it's miraculous in so many ways.
It's included a lot of things, and it's amazing what hormone replacement short-term will delay cardiovascular changes, bone loss. We see 50 to 60% less fracture in women who've been on hormones 5 years, which is a life-threatening disease, osteoporosis. We see benefits to their hair and skin, their sexual function, their sleep, their cognitive behavior. So I think there's so many benefits. I tell my patients it's like the bowling ball knocking down all the pins. Instead of taking something for your sleep, your hair, your skin, your bones, you just take the bowling ball and we knock them all down and take care of it.